Hello and welcome. In this video we are going to arrange photos in a list. So that is, in this column B we shall arrange them in form of a list. Then in column A we shall have the name of each photo. So I will use the flags of different countries as my photos, and in column A I will have the name of those countries. So therefore in cell A1 I will call it country, and here I will type flag. Then in cell number 2, that is where we are going to start naming the countries. So for example, if we type a country like Kenya here, so the flag of Kenya will appear here. If I type the name France here, so the flag of France will appear in cell B3, and so on. So to do that we shall go to VBA, but let me continue typing more countries here. So maybe Nigeria, Senegal, USA, Liberia, Mexico, Canada, India, Argentina, Brazil, Fiji, Estonia, Ecuador, Trinidad and Tobago, Trinidad and Tobago, Israel, maybe here we have Sweden, UK, and maybe China, so I mean here China, Japan, and so on. So now we shall go to the VBA, where we shall write a code which will activate a photo to appear in column B. So we select developer tab, then Visual Basic. So then insert module. So here I need to view the project explorer, so I want to call this module national flags. So I'll select the properties window here, then national flags. So that is the name of the module. Then now I can remove the explorer. Then here I will call my subroutine photo list. Then below here I will declare some variables. So dim worksheet, WS as worksheet, A as long, then flag as picture, and then country as string. then X. So X will be a range representing the name of the country. So for the time being, let us have those variables. We shall add more as we proceed. So set WS equal to sheet 1. Then A equal to 2. So that is, we shall start from the second row, that is where A is equal to 2. So we shall use the do while statement. So do while A is less than or equal to maybe 30 countries, then range, so then range A ampersand small a dot select. So we want, as we move down, we select individual cell where the flag will be inserted. So that will be along the column A. So then we have X equal to range A ampersand A. Then below here we simply say width range B ampersand A set flag equal to worksheet dot, that is sheet 1 dot pictures dot insert in brackets country. So close the bracket. Then here we have dot row. So this is the row where the photo will be. So row height is equal to flag dot height. So that is the height of the flag. Then dot top dot flag dot top is equal to dot top. So this is now aligning the photo. So flag dot left is equal to dot left. Then flag dot placement is equal to Excel move and size. Then we can end width. So end width. So end width. And maybe exit so before we exit, so we can say A is equal to A plus 1, then we loop. Then at this point we can exit the subroutine. So but we need to know what the file path is, that is the country here represent the file path. So let me go to the photos and select at least one photo. So right click one of the photo, then properties, click on security, then take that or copy the file path. So copy, then go back to the VBA, here we type country is equal to, so the file path, so you paste there, and then we can remove now Chile, and then we put the quotes, then insert X. So remember we had declared X here, that X is equal to range A ampersand small a, then ampersand here, quotes dot png, since our photo format is in PNG, so then close the quotes. So here we also need an ampersand, so that way. So let us go step by step and see how the photos will be inserted by pressing F8. So press F8, F8. So the first flag there, the flag of Kenya. Press F8. I have the flag of France. Press F8. So I have the flag of Uganda. Press F8. So the flag of Nigeria. F8. So we have the flag of Senegal. F8. So the flag of USA. So that is how the photos will be listed. So let us continue coding. So before we loop, so here I would like us to say worksheet dot pictures. So every time the pictures will be deleted when we are running this code, so dot delete. So for example, if I now run the code by clicking the green button here, that is running the sub, or I press F5 to run, so the photos will be deleted and the new photos will be inserted. So that way. So we have an error here. So because I've not written a code to handle this error, so under the debug here, so maybe Trinidad here is not what it appears in the photos, so that is why we have that error. So if you go back to the photos here and you check on Trinidad and Tobago, so this one Trinidad, so maybe it is the typing. So here the I was missing, so here we need an I, so then it can run. So once we click, so but before we do that, I want us to handle the error. That is, here we shall code for the error handler. So here the error handler, we can call it err. So here we say on error, go to error. And then down here, after exiting the sub, we can have the error. So that is error is equal to what? So we shall say that range B ampersand A is equal to flag not found. This is in case the name of the country is wrongly typed or maybe the name of the country does not exist. So therefore in column B, this statement will be returned, so that is flag not found. So here we need to say A is equal to A plus 1. So we shall put A is equal to A plus 1 because at this point the sub will have exited for the correct data entry, or where the photos exist. So below this we also say resume. So maybe you say data entry. So we need also to declare this data entry. So top here, and then below here we also say data entry. So that way. So let us go step by step again and we see. So press F8. So F8. So that is the flag of Kenya. So as we loop, so the flags will appear that way. So that is Trinidad and Tobago, Israel. Then we have Sweden, China, Japan. At that point there is no photo, so you see it goes to the error handler. So it tells you there is no photo. Or maybe if you type the name of a country here wrongly, so for example you wanted to type Malawi and then you forget to put I. So what will happen? So this is what will happen. It will indicate that there is no photo. That is, the flag is not found. Now in the next cell, if we type Malawi correctly with an I, so what will happen? So click F8 and now the flag of Malawi will appear. So that way. So that is how photos can be listed using VBA. So we had about we had indicated we go up to 30 countries. So maybe let me type the countries here. Let us stop this one. And then we clear the flags. So we continue typing more countries here. So for example Honduras, maybe Czech Republic, or maybe here we can have Palestine, and then here we can have Russia. Here we can have Australia, maybe Austria, Lebanon, and I think those are 30 countries. So then we go to VBA, so we stop this one and then we run at once. So those are the flags listed in column B. So thank you for watching my video and see you in my next video, so where in column A we shall type the country and the flag appears automatically. So see